What's up guys, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Here we go for another 28 scale. This is the SC28 Fox edition, a ready to run short course truck. Can't wait to show you guys this one as well. Let's just try to open up the window here very nicely, gently. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but I can try. If we can open up the garage door a little bit nicer than the other one was. Maybe that one is working a little bit better, or maybe I am more experienced after the first one. The blue one is Mike's, this one is mine. This one going to be mine. This one is getting a tiny bit better or easier. I would like to show you how it displayed in the window. Try not to, oh, there is a little breakage. This side was quite good, but unfortunately here I managed to break a little bit. Here you go. So this is how it is displayed in the box. Gorgeous little dining. Wow, it looks really, really good. Let's open it up. That comes ready to run. So as you can see, wow, it looks really, really good. Right, so here you go. See what's on the box. This is, as I said, the SC28 short course truck, Fox factory edition of the Team Associated 28 scale ready to run little car. As you can see, that's a RTR, so ready to run, 28 scale, 2-wheel drive and electric. Is charging straight from the transmitter itself, and it has a 2.4 gigahertz radio as well. So there you go. Not much more information, to be honest, on the packaging itself. You can see without body how the little chassis look like, but it's not really just a chassis because everything is under the plastic, so you can't really go into too much details unless you totally disassembling the car itself. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, look at that gorgeous little thing. That's a perfect gorgeous short course truck. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. Look at that. I will turn it so you can see the transmitter itself as well. So that comes out together, and on the back you can see the batteries as well. Oh, I really like this car. Wow, that's gonna be absolutely stunning to play with it. What else in the box? Well, you can see the documents similar as with the RC28T. Let's put this aside. You have some more stickers there. These stickers seem to be a little bit more sophisticated and nicer than on the other one. You will still have, I believe, the exactly. Look at this sticker pack. That's quite nice. I really like these. Am I actually gonna use? And you have the Fox as well, and the Team Associated. It's more sticker definitely than with the other pack. Let's see the documentation. I think that's gonna be exactly the same with the RC28T. You have the EU declaration confirmation, obviously, with the stamp and all. You have the manual, and obviously how you can charge the car. Everything is there. The catalog information, parts information, and this is just the leaflet. I thought it's gonna be an upgrade. Obviously, it's not for this these upgrades, and this is just advertisements. What can you do in a team associated world? So let's put this aside and let's focus in this gorgeous little thing. Let's see, open up this. I will use different scissors for that. Not that one. This is a toughy one. To get to the transmitter, let's get the radio out. Well, the radio, I would say the radio is exactly the same as the other one. It's a plastic toy. It's nothing to do with the you know, racing radios. But again, for under 50 quid, you can't expect too much. This, the bottom, obviously where the battery should go in, is first really rough to get to it, but then once you open it, or more times you will open it, it will get easier and easier. This is the charging cable for the little car. It's tucked away in a little stick. You will need to pull it out, you see. I don't know if it's visible on the camera or not, but that's a little stick there here, so it helps to tuck it back on like so. I'll try to take my finger out. There you go. So it's gonna help to tuck everything away. It goes 4 AAA batteries in there. Very nicely. And then obviously you can charge the car from the radio. The grip is, everything is plastic on it. You can't really expect too much from this transmitter, from this radio, but it will drive the car, and that's all what you really want. This is the on and off switch. You have the power and you have the charging. So once the little cable connected to the car, then the charge light will come on. Once you have the car switched on, then the power light will come on, signing you can actually drive your car. You have the A logo in it, and obviously the model number. So that's all for the radio. Let's see the car itself. Here is the batteries. Thank you so much for adding the batteries as well to the pack. It's 4 batteries at least you don't need to buy. And when you buy it for your kids, for example, you would buy it and then the kids can't wait to actually open up the package, and then you still need to worry about, because then you realize you haven't got any battery at home. That's a pain in the bum. So that's very much appreciated to add batteries to the pack as well. Wow, look at that. That looks just gorgeous. I really love this one. It has 3 body pin. You can add your own stickers to it as well. The body looks really neat and sturdy, but I will remove the pins and see the body itself separately. It has a nice little bumper, and it hasn't got well, totally different tire definitely than the SC28. We'll see how they will race against each other. So there you go. That's the bottom of the car. You have the switch right there. So first you need to switch on your radio, and then you switch on the car as you would do on the big ones. Let's see without the pins. Remove the backs or the body shell. So there you go. Here is your car without the shell. That is all. You have a little antenna. very cute, I must admit. Very cute. Obviously these are the which holds the body itself. You have a little spiral. Well, you haven't got shocks. Definitely you haven't got any shocks here, but the 2 little spiral is will do the job. This is the battery for a car, which you are charging on this point from the radio, as I said. That's your light, which will switch on when you switch on the car itself or when it is on charge. It will indicate it to you. And here are the little steering part. Well, the whole thing is plastic, so it's no surprise there really that everything is plastic on a car. As I said, it's a very cheap toy, but I think it's gonna give you or give us hours and hours fun. Little bumper, and they will just run as they have to. There are a few screws, so if you break anything, I suppose we can replace them. It shouldn't be a big deal to put a whole thing together after you are in a 10 scale, or we are obviously putting together our own cars. This tiny car, it shouldn't be a problem to repair if anything break on it. But here you go. The tires are, I think these tires are actually tiny bit slimmer than the SC28. Maybe I will do a comparison after we run them, maybe tomorrow or on the weekend, if anybody interested to compare. If you just would like to buy one car and then you can't make up your mind which one you wish to buy, just leave comments, leave in the comment if you have any questions, and then we are happy to reply or answer any questions if we can. So here you go. That's actually quite nice, quite soft. Well, it's gonna jump around the house. Hopefully that's gonna be just doing a perfectly fine job. I can put and show you how the radios, I think actually you can charge the car, yeah, easily. You can charge the car even when the body is on, so you don't need to remove the body for any reason. I just wanted to show you how it works, or how does it look like. Let's put the batteries in as well. So you can see it here where the plus and the minus is, so how you need to put the batteries in. Obviously on the battery you need to just make sure which one is the positive and the negative. So if that's the positive, just match it up. The positive goes, both of them goes in. Oh, there you go. That one is done. Now we are there. Right. So the cable should go into this little hole here, and then you can click it in and it is on. So then let's see. So if I want to switch on the radio and I want to switch on the car, there, then you can see the light is on and the car is running. You have auto reverse on it as well. It's just love the voice. And if you want to charge it, then obviously you switch it off, switch off the car as well, and then you connect the cable, which, as I showed you, here is the charging point on the right side of the car. So you just connect this little cable in here, and you don't need to actually switch it on at all. It's automatically recognize the cable and is on charge. So there you go. That's your car charging. Easy peasy. So there you go. Here is the 28 scale and the 10 scale beside each other. Well, obviously the orange is my color, so that's why I wanted that one. It looked better for me on the picture, but I did not regret it at all. It just looks gorgeous. Well, have fun everybody. Thank you so much for watching.